Hi guys, happy Friday. Did you remember that blue fade that we dyed a few weeks back? Here it is. I thought I'd show you what I made. So this is a DK weight superwash merino yarn that I split up in, well, they were already in 50 gram balls, and I made hanks out of that, and I had 10 of those. And then we proceeded to dilute the dye for each jar that we used. I'll link the video here so you can have a look at it. I'll link it just in the cards and below. And this is what I made. Now I have used all of the yarn. I think I had just like a teeny tiny bit left after making this. So this is 500 grams of yarn, and I do have a fairly large body these days, so if you're a smaller person, you will get better mileage than I did. But I'm quite happy with what I got here. It is down to my waist. It is just below the elbow. I'm the kind of person that just constantly pulls my sleeves up anyway, so this is perfect for me. And as you can see, it is definitely a fade. So when I made this, it is knit top down, and I do believe I used Tin Can Knits DK weight flax sweater pattern. I'll link that as well below. So it's knit top down, so I just started knitting from the top, and when I got to the sleeves, where I was separating for the sleeves, I started using 30 grams, because each of my ball of yarns were 50 grams in each fade, so to speak, and I used 30 grams for the body, and then I split the remaining 20 grams for 10 grams each for each sleeve. So that's why the fade continues down into the sleeve. And once I had knitted the sleeve to as far as I figured I could do them, I just used all of the yarn remaining. Actually, I think that was pretty much just the ribbing at the bottom is the final skein. So yay! What do you think? I'm quite pleased with this. I am feeling very inspired to do this again with other colors. I would like to do it with greens, red, pink, yellow, well, purple, you get the idea. So yeah, quite fun. I really enjoyed the dyeing project as well when I made this yarn. It was a lot of fun. And also knitting it. It was kind of addictive. It's like, you know, knitting stripes, where you just one more stripe, just one more stripe. And that's kind of how it felt making this top. So there it is. Make of the week. A suggestion for what you can make with your faded yarn if you try to make that. So yeah, what do you think? Oh, I like this. I really like this. Anyway, that's it for this week. Short and sweet. And I'll see you next time. Bye.